Okay, so next in geometric sequence, nagaham siya. Okay, so when we say geometric sequence class, it is a sequence in which each term is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by constant number called the common ratio or the R. So sa arithmetic sequence, ang tawag sa iyaha is common difference. Pero sa geometric sequence, ang tawag sa iyaha is common ratio. Okay? So if we denote the first term as A and the common ratio as R, the terms of geometric sequence are A sub 1, A sub 1, R raised to the power of 1, A sub 1 raised to the power of 2, and so on. Okay? So the nth term of the geometric sequence is A sub n is equals to A sub 1 times R raised to the power of n minus 1. So our formula here is the A sub n is equals to A sub 1 times R and the n minus 1. Our R here represents as our common ratio. Our A sub 1 here represents as our first term. And then our A sub n is our last term. And our n represents as what? Our n is the nth term. Kung ano ang value dito, yun rin yung value ng n. Kung ano ang nandito, yun din yung value ng n. Okay? So, let's proceed. So, let's have the example. Find the 10th term and the 9th term of the sequence. We have here the 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. So, natay formula nga A sub n is equals to A sub 1 times R raised to the power of n minus 1. So, ang ato ang, ma'am, paano na mo siya mabalaan, ma'am, na ang amo ang gamiton na formula, whether it's arithmetic sequence or kanang geometric sequence. Mabalaan ninyo na siya class kung ang iyahang sequence class is min ani. So, kani siya is an example of geometric sequence, di ba? Kung i-minus na to ang 4 ug 2, ang magawas ana is 2. Kung i-minus na to ang 8 ug ang 4, ang magawas ana class is kanang 4. Kung ang i-minus na to ang 16 sa 8, ang magawas is 8. Kung i-minus na to ang 32 sa 16, ang magawas na is 16. So, therefore, dili siya magkapareha. Excuse me. So, dili siya magkapareha. So, natay 2, natay 4, natay 8, natay 16. So, kung inaanak class, ang ato ang gamiton na formula is kaning geometric sequence. Pero kung ang ato ang formula is 10, 15, 20, atong sequence class is kunwari are 20 kay tapos natay 25 ana kung i-minus na tong 15 sa 10 natay 5. Kung i-minus na to ang 20 sa 15 natay 5. Kung i-minus na to ang 25 sa 20 naputay 5. Okay? So, kay same man na siya, 555, 555. Ang ato ang gamiton nga formula is kanang sa arithmetic sequence, which is kanang unsa man atong formula na A sub n is equals to A sub 1 plus, open parenthesis, and minus 1 times D nga ato ang common difference. So, kay same man ang number, ato ang gamiton na formula is kani arithmetic sequence. Pero kani, kay dili man siya same, therefore, ang ato ang gamiton na formula is kaning sa unsa. Ano siya? Ito ang gamiton na formula. Okay? Sana'y naintindihan? Okay, so let's proceed to our discussion. So, paano na to kuhaon ang Paano na mo kuhaon ang common ratio, ma? Kailangan nato i-divide ang 4 sa 2 or ang 8 sa 4, 16 to 18. So, if we divide 4 to 2, the answer is 2. If we divide 16 to 18, the answer is 2. And if we divide the 64 to 32, the answer is 2. Therefore, class, kay same man na sila, same naman ang answer. Ang common ratio or ang value sa atong R is 2, okay? So, let's try to find that 10th term. So, okay, 10th term na itong ginapangita, ang value sa itong A sub n is 10. So, A sub 10 is equals to 2 times the ratio, which is 2, and then our n is 10 minus 1. So, A sub 10 is equals to 2 times 2 raised to the power of 9. Bakit naging 9? Because we have here 10 minus 1, therefore we have 9. So, we have here the answer, which is 1024. So, 2 times 2 raised to the power of 9 is equals to what? 2 raised to the power of 9. We have 2 raised to the power of 9. We have 512. I-times na to sa 2 na atay 1024. So, let's try to find the 90th term. 9th term. So, we have here our A sub 10 is A sub 9. Our first term is 2, and the value of our R, which is the common ratio, is 2. N minus 9, the value of our N is 9. So, 9 minus 1, we have 8. Therefore, A sub 9 is equals to 2 times 2 raised to the power of 8. Therefore, natay 512 na answer. Okay? Another, I give you 45 seconds to answer this sequence. The timer starts now. Okay. Okay, so let's find out what is the correct answer. Okay, so ang hinahanap natin dito is 9th term. And then, ang ato ang sequence is 2, negative 4, 8, negative 16, 32, and negative 64. So, what is our common ratio? To find the common ratio, we need to divide negative 4 divided by 2. Therefore, our common ratio is negative 2. So, our A sub 1 is 2, our N is 9, and our R, or the common ratio, is negative 2. So, after that, we need to substitute to our formula. So, we have here A sub 9 is equals to 2 times negative 2 raised to the power of 9 minus 1. So, we have 9 minus 1, we have 8. So, naatay 2 times negative 2 raised to the power of 8. That's why natin answer na 512. Okay?